Okay, I'm calling online to actually communicate to those who are interested in a live trading section. Probably I may only be able to do that for like maybe 2 or 3 days. Okay, maybe 2 or 3 days before Christmas or so. So we're gonna be trading live together. The platform we're using, the link is in the description. Okay, the link for the platform is in the description. Just click on the link on the description, get yourself ready, try to fund your account. Now, if you want to fund your derivative account, probably you don't have an account, you can also create an account with my link. You can get to fund your account using payment agent. Okay, that's the quickest and the fastest way to do that. I will recommend Bakari Pay. Okay, you can use Bakari Pay to fund your account and you are good. So the whole idea or the whole concept behind this is just to make people understand that these things are not magic. It's just based on discipline, focus. If you have not made money before from these platforms, everything about them will look so annoying and look so planned. Okay, it will look as if they are monitoring your life. Every time you are trying to hammer, trying to make it, that's when it goes haywire. It's not so. It's just the way, these are just the way things are made. You are just the one causing commotion for yourself. You are trying to hammer, make all you can while you are at it. It doesn't work that way. Slow and steady. Most of my students will know I've always been saying this. It's always slow and steady. Try to do it small. Okay, don't even use big money. I will not even recommend, even if you want to trade a live trade session, I will not recommend you to use big money. Okay, the whole idea or the whole concept first is to encourage you to see how this thing works. Does it work? Okay, how does it work? Will it last? Can it last for me? Can I do it? Now, when I'm training somebody afresh for the first time, the first thing I'm always trying to tell them is you have to do a 10 days paper trading. You have to dedicate a month for you to learn and practically see what you can do first. But you see, along the line, because of probably maybe I'll say because of their needs or their financial target or their financial need, most people deviate from the plan. So your plan should be simple. Okay, the plan for the trading we want to do is very simple. 2-3 trades. Make 20 to 30% of your stake and you call it a day. That's it. Have I traded today? Yes. I've traded today. Did I trade yesterday? Yes. No. Okay, I traded before I left. I went out yesterday, but I traded before I left. Does it take time? Does it take long? No. I've even done a recording, but I'm not hoping to upload it. I just don't feel like uploading. So you need to understand, this thing is possible for you to make money. But what is more possible is you losing your money. Yes. Take it. What is more possible than making money is losing your money. Why is losing your money more possible than making money? The platform itself will always tell you that nothing is guaranteed. Always make sure you risk what you can afford to lose. So I always recommend for people, any money you want to use to trade, make sure you don't have any psychological attachment or emotional attachment to it. Don't use your house rent money, for instance, to trade. Don't use your money for your business, for instance, to trade. Use spare money you can afford to risk. Now, that way your emotion is not going to be attached. And then when you get your return, it will make sense to you. So what I recommend for people is first, trade a while. Try to make money small first from the platform. See how much you can generate monthly. Then after, you know, hey,